Good morning, Mandela United. Today is not Thursday, November 28th. My name is Wafiq and this is United News. Nelson Mandela High School is hosting a Citizenship Ceremony on December 12th, and we are looking for someone to play the bagpipe to help for the day. If you or someone you know plays the bagpipes, please see Mr. Armstrong in the main office. There will be a workshop held in Nelson Mandela High School for newcomers. It will be held on December 5th, 2019 from 6 to 7:30 p.m. Today, the Mandela Bistro will be serving something. Auditions for the Mandela Coffeehouse Talent Show are coming up on Monday, December 9th and Tuesday, December 10th after school. We are looking for students interested in performing their talents. All musicians, comedians, magicians, dancers, singers, spoken word poets, DJs, and actors are strongly encouraged to audition for the show. Students who are interested in being the MCs for the show must audition on the audition dates. The Mandela Coffeehouse Show will take place on Wednesday, December 18th after school in the music room. Any questions? Please speak to Miss Senan and Yaki in the music room. And thank you and have a great day.